Okay, as part of our gun safety, gun education program, we're going to have to learn how to clean guns. This is her first time to ever try cleaning one, or to ever clean one. This is my Ruger GP100 357 Magnum. First gun I ever bought, the one I love the most. So let's get started. Okay, clean the chamber with the bore brush. And we have double check, triple check, quadruple check to make sure that, absolutely sure that this thing is completely unloaded and completely safe to work with. Okay. Now, run the cleaning pad through there, dip it in a little bit of oil. It's okay, just kind of dab it on the towel down there. Doesn't matter if you get too much. Guns love oil. So we'll run that through, run it through at least 3 times, back and forth. Well, it's tight. 1 time should be fine, since it's so tight. Pull it. Okay.
I forgot which one I just
Kind of give it a good push. If you need to, you see that handle right there? You can put that handle, that'll help you. I don't have to use it, but grab that handle right there. Yeah.
And I forget which one I'm doing.
Don't worry about it. You can do them all several times. Oh, that's not the right size for this one. Let's see if this is. Yeah, this is it. So we'll swap this out. Take that off. You don't have to worry about that. We're done with that. I'm going to put it back up. Okay. This should help you. Just push it through, and if you need some help, use the handle, and the handle will help you pull it out. Better? Okay. Look at all the dirt that came off that thing. It was completely white when you put it in there. Is that a fun activity or is it a chore?
Both.
A fun chore?
Yeah. Alright. I did them all.
Okay. Did you do the barrel? Okay. Don't point it towards you. Push it in. Okay, now pull it. There you go. Alright, so now put the top back on your oil in case we spill it. Now take this and just kind of spray around on the moving parts. You can spray in, spray on the trigger.
Alright, like right here.
Just kind of give it a good spray all the way around.
Like good.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, you can put a little there. Alright, spray on the trigger. Alright, flip it over. Same thing. That's good. Let's put a little in there. Okay. Okay, now just take one of these and just kind of rub it off a little bit.
My hands on the gun.
Oh, again. Just rub off some of the excess. Okay, that's good. Now this is a gun and reel cloth. It's got oil when you buy it. It's oil. Just rub it down all over with that. Rub the handle, everything. Get all the excess off. Clean the grip. See how shiny it makes it?
Yep.
Okay, where you grabbed it with your fingers, rub that off. Just leave it laying down flat there and don't touch it. You get more fingerprints on it. Just get the barrel.
I gotta flip it over something.
Okay, flip it over. Don't grab it. Just grab it with the towel, with the cloth. Flip it over. Rub that side down. Now it's ready to reload. Fire again.
What about this?
Oh yeah. You reminded me. We should have done that before we wiped it down, but that's okay. Still do it. So open your chamber. Remember how to open it? Push there, and then push the chamber. You gotta press it. There you go. All right. So run that through all of your chamber and the barrel. I'm going to lay it down and then hold this up with one hand. Roll the chamber up so it's easier for you. There you go. Okay, good. See, in doing the video, I left out a step, and she reminded me. This is her first time, and she reminded me something that I forgot. You can never be too careful. Nobody's perfect. Barrel, and it's easy to forget something. Right, make sure this is out of your way. Okay. Right now. Close the chamber and just kind of lay it flat and wipe all your fingerprints off. Flip it over. Good job. So hopefully soon she'll be ready to shoot that big bad boy. She's not quite there yet. She tried 38 today in an earlier video and it kicked a little bit, but we're going to get used to it. So what are your final thoughts? No final thoughts? All right.